Hi, welcome to Willow, Brook, Apiary and Homestead. Happy bees, healthy honey. We've got a very exciting day here at the homestead. One of our satin rabbit does, Ginger, is pregnant and we are expecting she will give birth today. Come along for the journey.
Welcome to our rabbitry. Here are two of our rabbits, Ginger and Oreo. They are both satins, which are large meat rabbits that are known for their beautiful pelts. They're much loved pets in our family. Spring is in the air and you know what that means. "30 days later, and Ginger here is busy making her nest with a lot of fresh straw. As you can see, she's grabbing mouthfuls of it and taking it into the nest box that Nathaniel built. She'll cover her kits after they're born with fur from her dewlap to keep them warm. So far, it's looking like she's going to use her nesting box. We do hope she will deliver in her nest, because if not, and she kindles on the wire, there's a higher mortality chance for the kits. They'll usually die if not found quick enough because of exposure to the cold or being trampled. This is Ginger's first litter, so the mortality rate is already greater for the kits. Typically, does deliver during the night, so it's quite common that you lose some. We are really hoping she delivers during the day because it's nice and warm today, and we're here to quickly put the kits back in the nest should she deliver on the wire. It's very important that if you breed your rabbits that you keep track on a calendar and pay attention to days 28 to 31 so that you have an idea of when they're about to kindle. Ginger finished her nest an hour before her babies arrived. I thought there might be a chance that she was in the beginning stages of labor and possibly having contractions because she looked like her belly was vibrating a bit. However, I didn't really expect it to happen in the middle of the morning. Sure enough, she delivered mid-morning, and we were on a Zoom call in the house when it happened, which is not surprising. Rabbits prefer to deliver when no one is around. So here's a quick sped up video for you to watch. You can see Mama Rabbit eating the placenta off of the babies now. Get ready, here they come. So Mama did a good job. Her first litter, and we count 5 babies. Mama did a really good job building a wonderful nest. She pulled a lot of hair to keep them warm. We see 3 dark colored bunnies and 2 still very pink bunnies. They look like little piglets. Good job, Mama. Good job, Ginger.